In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page break in SurveyMonkey using a convenient feature known as quick buttons in the survey layout. This is incredibly useful for anyone looking to enhance their surveys by breaking them into multiple pages, making the survey easier for respondents to navigate and simpler for you to organize your content efficiently. Let's dive right into the process. When you're in design mode, setting up your survey and crafting those essential questions, you have the option to preview it. This is where you'll have the opportunity to implement page breaks, and it's a straightforward process. Start by hovering your mouse between two questions. You'll notice that as you hover, a button will appear between the questions. This is the plus page break button, a built-in tool provided by SurveyMonkey to give you quick and easy access to insert a page break exactly where you want it. Click this plus page break button, and voila! A page break is inserted seamlessly into your survey. This action divides the survey into two sections, allowing for a more organized flow of questions. Respondents will appreciate this attention to detail as it helps them focus on a smaller group of questions at a time, rather than becoming overwhelmed by a long, continuous list. Now, what if you need to add a new, blank page somewhere else? Perhaps at the very end of your survey? SurveyMonkey has simplified this process as well. Scroll down to the bottom of the current page, and there you will find the plus new page button. By clicking this button, a whole new blank page is created at the end of your survey. This is perfect for summarizing key points or adding concluding remarks, enhancing the overall layout and experience of your survey. Imagine how much better organized your survey becomes with these additional pages. Not only does this layout improve navigation, but it also makes the data easier to analyze for you after you've collected responses. Your respondents will thank you for showing consideration for their time, which often results in higher completion rates. Overall, these simple actions make a significant impact on the effectiveness of your survey. Utilizing page breaks is a smart strategy for creating a more respondent-friendly experience and ensuring that your questions are presented logically and coherently. So, next time you sit down to design a survey in SurveyMonkey, remember these easy steps to improve your layout. Your respondents and your future self analyzing the results will surely appreciate the effort. Thank you for joining me today, and happy surveying.